So, in today's video, I played with some Rituel de Fille, I think that's how you pronounce it. I played with some of their goodies that I bought. Honestly, I bought them during the summer, and it's now November. This took me a while to get around to, but final consensus is I love it, and I want everything now. Just give me all the products. Yeah. Let's just get right into how I did this look playing with the Rituel de Fille cream blushes and the cream highlights I got. And honestly, can't wait to buy more. Okay, let's get into the look. Okay, to start off this quick, easy look, I'm taking the color Delirium. And I'm just patting that on my cheeks in like a wide C. Because I even put it on my brows, but yeah, I just wanted a lot of blush for this look. So I pat it on with one finger and then I try to blend it out with a clean finger just so, I don't know, it looks more seamless, I guess. Blend it into the brows and my cheeks until, you know, I get enough pigment. Just keep layering it up until you're satisfied. And after I get Delirium blended out on my cheeks the way I want it, I go in with some Nymph. And I add it mainly to like the apples area of my cheek, and I leave the rest, you know, just Delirium. But yep, basically the same thing. Take some on my finger, tap it on the apples of my cheek, and then blend it out with a separate finger. I just find that works better so it doesn't add like more pigment than you want, so you can slowly build it up. I had no idea where I was going with this look, but then I decided to take Nymph and also put it on my eyelids and blend that out with a brush. I just take Nymph and I blend it into my crease with a brush just to try to get like a blend, a seamless blend, because my finger's a bit too, you know, I can't blend with my fingers. So yeah, I blend and try to get the shape that I want. It doesn't have to be perfect because, I don't know, I didn't want this look to be perfect. Once I'm satisfied with that, I then took more of Delirium because I felt like after I added Nymph to my eyelids, there wasn't enough color on my brow bones like I wanted, so I wanted to add more of that corally orange punch to my brow area. Then I took the eye soot that I bought called Cygnus. This eye soot is gorgeous, guys, and I mainly focused it on the center of my lids. I first tried doing it with the same fluffy brush that I used Nymph with, but then I wasn't getting enough of the reflect that I wanted. So my finger's too big to put in the little tub, so I used a flat brush, like one of my flat concealer brushes. And I just concentrated the color in the center and then used my finger to further blend it into the Nymph color. And I gotta say, I love the way it glimmers and gleams in the light. This color is gorgeous. I want to try more of their eye soots. Then I went on to highlighter and I bought Solaris and the Alchemist. I went in with Solaris first because I wanted to see how the color looked because it looked so beautiful online. So I added a little bit of Solaris to the high points of my cheekbones in another kind of C shape, but a smaller C than, you know, the blush. Though I think you could just mix this stuff together and it would just look, you'd just look like a glowy goddess. But yeah, and then one of the things I was so excited to try was the Alchemist highlighter. And guys, this packs a punch. It is a glittery ball of glowiness, and if you don't like glitter, you might not like this, but it's not too glittery and chunky in my opinion. It gives a really beautiful glow, and I really enjoyed it. So I applied it on top of Solaris. I added it to my brow bone. There you go. Why does that sound weird? I added it to my brow bone. Okay, guys. I also highlighted my nose, my Cupid's bow on my lips, and my chin. Added the remainder I had on my fingers to my chin. And then I also added it to the inner corner of my eyes just to brighten up the look. You know, I always love a good inner corner highlight. And then I wanted to blend more of Delirium just into the highlighter so it didn't look so much of a strip. I wanted it to blend better, so I was taking more and then just a clean finger again just to mesh it all together. Then I went back to Nymph and I applied it with my fingers onto my lips and I just blended it out. It's kind of that more bitten look, you know, popsicle. But I love a light color on the lips for every day, so I would wear this look out. I would wear it every day. This is my everyday makeup, guys. And then for finishing touches, I just add my mascara. I got my Petty Wear box from Harvest. And after applying my mascara, I just quickly went through my brows with the Glossy Boy Brow. Love this. But you guys already knew that if you have been watching my channel. And that, y'all, completes this dewy glowy goddess look, courtesy of Rituel de Fille. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this simple look that I did. I decided to just use my fingers for the most part. It's my favorite thing to do with cream products anyways. Might not be perfect, but I like the undone look, so that's good and great for me. The shades that I got, that's the highlight. Where's the other blush? Well, cream color. I don't think exact, because I kind of used it all over my face. But Delirium, which is the more orange coral shade, and Nymph, which I love the names that they come up for these. But this is like such a beautiful like burgundy blood red, deep blood red. As soon as I dipped my fingers into these, the texture is very smooth and silky feeling. And they're so easy to apply and blend, and I just like, I love it. I love them. All the formulas in this, like this highlighter, the Alchemist, the extreme glittery one. So like if you don't like glitter, you might not like this, but I love it. And all their formulas are just like, you touch it and it's just like so silky smooth, and it's just beautiful. And then this is the other highlighter. I didn't like really use this one because I really wanted to get into the Alchemist one, but this one's called Solaris, I believe. I think this is permanent. I think everything is permanent except for the eye set the eye set I bought, because I think this was part of their moon drop, which was like the main reason I bought all of this stuff like a bad person. I spent a lot of money. I really was interested in their eye sets for like the longest time, and I never bought one. So then I got this limited edition one. I believe it was limited edition. I believe it's in Cygnus. You can read that little tiny writing. I don't know if you can, but I believe this shade was limited edition, but it's beautiful. It has like blue reflex with like a purple red color, and I'm just like, I love it. It kind of has like a green reflect, and they're all like, I can't describe it. I'm not good at describing. Maybe I'll try to get like some close-ups. Can you see that? Does this show up on camera? Like, you see how it looks on the, you see that? Red, purple, blue, green. It's just gorgeous. I really enjoyed the stuff I tried today, guys. This was a really quick and easy look. Just slap it on your face. Messy and undone, my favorite. And if you've tried Rituel de Fille, tell me what your favorite products from them are, because I would love some suggestions to spend more of my money. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Toodaloo! Ta-ta now.